Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite Slack contacts to Miro. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and let's say connect Slack to Miro. So click your account on the upper right and click on profile. Now, under the profile section, click on integrations, scroll down and you will find Slack, Slack contacts, whatever, right? You can go ahead and connect Slack. As you can see, I have Slack here. You can even go ahead and connect your Slack contacts by simply authorizing your account. So you will see in a moment that is going to pop up showing my Slack. I'm going to click on allow right here and it's going to connect Slack. Now, once that is done, you want to go ahead and head back over to your account and you want to go ahead and invite members. So as you can see right here, I have invite members on the upper right hand side. I click here and now you can see that I have Slack showing up here as well. Click on invite, then go ahead and it's going to say connect Slack. So you do the same. It's going to authorize you again, and you will see that it's going to easily link here. So all you have to do is go ahead and do that. And here you can see that it's already started to detect my users as well that are currently on Slack. And I can go ahead and just select a person and send an invite. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and invite your Slack contacts to Miro. Very easy and very simple.